Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Waffle House sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making some brown butter. In a pan over medium heat, melt 1 stick of butter. Continue to cook the butter while mixing frequently. You'll know your butter is ready when it turns brown, has a nutty aroma, and foam forms at the top. Once you have finished making your brown butter, pour it through a strainer into a small bowl. Then set the brown butter to the side until you're ready to use it. Next, in a large bowl, sift 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. When you're finished, set your dry ingredients to the side. Next, separate 3 eggs. When you're finished, set the egg whites to the side. In the bowl with the egg yolks, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Beat the egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture is pale yellow. When you're finished, scrape the sides of the bowl. Then add the brown butter we prepared before. Next, add 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined, and when you're finished, set your wet ingredients to the side. Next, beat your egg whites until stiff peaks form. When you're finished, set your egg whites to the side. Next, take out your dry ingredients and use a spatula to create a well in the center. Then pour your wet ingredients in the center of the well. Next, use a whisk to mix everything together until almost combined. Then gradually fold in your egg whites with a spatula. After folding in the egg whites, your batter should be done. It should be smooth with a few lumps. Now we can cook our waffles. Turn on your waffle maker and grease it with butter or non-stick spray. Then add the waffle batter. I added 1 cup of waffle batter, but the amount of batter you pour into your waffle iron really depends on the size and type of your waffle iron. Just make sure you don't add too much and overfill it. I also like to spread the batter out evenly throughout the waffle iron. After adding the waffle batter, cook your waffles until crispy and golden brown. Repeat this process until you've used up all of your waffle batter. Once you finish making your waffles, set them to the side. Next, we're going to cook the bacon. In a pan over medium heat, add 4 slices of bacon. Cook your bacon until it is crispy. While cooking the bacon, make sure to flip them over occasionally so that they cook evenly on both sides. When the bacon has finished cooking, remove them from the pan and place them on a paper towel covered plate. Now in the same pan you cook the bacon, add 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. Next, break up the ground sausage. Then add a half a cup of diced onions. Now cook the sausage until it is browned and completely cooked through. Once you have finished cooking the sausage, take it off the heat and set it to the side. Now we're going to make the hash brown. In a small pan over medium heat, add olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add shredded potatoes into the pan. I added 1 cup, but you can add more if you want your hash brown to be bigger or thicker. Next, place a lid on the pan and let the hash brown cook for 5 minutes. Then remove the lid and season your hash brown. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, pepper, and Tuscan seasoning. After you season your hash brown, flip it over. Then place the lid back on the pan and let it continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Once you finish cooking your hash brown, set it to the side. Now we're going to make the scrambled eggs. In a bowl, crack 4 eggs. Then add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and whisk everything together until smooth. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add your eggs. Next, season the eggs with salt and pepper. Next, scramble the eggs. Once the eggs are almost finished cooking, shape the eggs into a circle to form a sort of egg patty. This part is optional, by the way. You can just scramble your eggs like normal. I just thought shaping it into an egg patty would make it easier to put on the sandwich. Next, place cheddar cheese on top and continue to cook your eggs until the cheese has melted. To help the cheese melt, I added a bit of water in the pan and then covered the pan with a lid. Doing this will create steam, which will melt the cheese. When you're finished cooking your eggs, you can begin assembling your sandwich. First, place a waffle on a plate. Then add your hash brown. Next, add your sausage. Then add the eggs. After adding the eggs, add your bacon. And finally, add another waffle on top. And this is the finished result. The sandwich was delicious and super filling. It was also really, really big. I'm pretty sure the ones at Waffle House are not as big as the one I made. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!